Of course, I like it very much, and the level of skills of the weavers is really amazing. I think that it is really great that your country did not lose the greatest achievements of this really high art, the art of carpet weaving, including both patterns and coloring, dye stuffs. The fact that you use natural dyes is really great, and it does a lot for the appreciation of this art of carpet weaving in the whole world.
The first international carpet exhibition, which was held in Tehran, had varying results, which could be categorized into 2 or 3 groups. Commercial-wise, it drew Iranian and foreign customers to the fair, provided a good opportunity for buyers to become familiar with the variety in Persian carpets, and producers and exporters to obtain first-hand information about customers' tastes. This ensured buyers that they can easily come to Iran and choose among different patterns from different cities, assortment of colors and sizes, the carpet most appealing to them, and have it immediately shipped to their own country.
نقوش مختلف، شهرهای مختلف، اندازه و رنگ‌های مختلف، فرشایی رو که باب میلشون هستش انتخاب بکنن و بلافاصله براشون ارسال بشه.
The exhibition entailed cultural and artistic advantages. It wasn't merely a market for trade, rather it revealed the numerous dimensions of this country's art and culture.
Parallel with the fair, the first international conference on Persian carpets enhanced the exhibition's scientific and cultural merit. Presentation of tens of articles and lectures by Iranian and foreign experts on the subject was an occasion for this venerable art to be analyzed by specialists for the first time in such a gathering.
But if you have an ancient object, bronze, with 2 heads, and woven with 2 heads.
I believe, after having followed discussions and lectures here for 3 days, that Iranian scholars and experts in the field of carpet may contribute enormously to the international world of scholarship concerning carpet. So I do hope that many Iranians who have something to say to the subject will attend the Hamburg conference in June next year.
The participants at the conference found the chance to make a trip to several historical regions of Iran and visit a number of carpet weaving centers.
It's really inspiring to be here because this is like the beginning. It's just the kind of scene in which the whole business of weaving rugs for use must have begun. People like this must have been the kind of people that started doing it. I think it's a real contribution that these nomadic people have made to the lives of all of us.
For the last 4 or 5 years, I've become more and more interested in Bakhtiari weavings. And in the West, over the last 20 years, there has been a greater and greater interest in tribal weavings, but mainly the weavings from Fars and from Khorasan. It's possible that the reason for this is that in the 19th century, many travelers came to Iran and brought back weavings, but very few seem to have come to this area, with the result that there are very few Bakhtiari weavings in the West. But now, over the last 2 or 3 years, there has been a much greater interest shown in them. And they can really be divided into 2 groups. There are the rugs woven in the Chahar Mahal, such as the pieces that I'm sitting on and in front of me. And then there are the khojin and other utilitarian pieces which are used on the migrations, which they make twice a year, to Khuzestan and back to here. And these are extremely rare. They're amongst the most beautiful and amongst the most important tribal weavings that are made anywhere, I think, in the world.
Last year's exhibition and conference once again brought up the name of Persian carpet in scientific circles, and if we take a look at the magazines on carpet and scientific gatherings and institutes, we'll notice that Persian carpet is once again a topic of discussion, and many of the researchers who came to Tehran's fair managed to get acquainted with the Iranian counterparts here and found topics and subjects to work on.
I'm astonished at the size of this fair. It's enormous, you know, and we have seen a great range of modern production, and many of the kinds of things we see here, we do not see in Europe at the moment. And I think that's very significant, and I think you need to do things to promote Persian carpets in the West and make people more aware of carpet production. I have been very impressed by the quality of carpets being produced. I think that is almost as fine a qualities as we've ever seen throughout history are being made today in Iran.
وجود این نمایشگاه در سال گذشته موجب عکس‌العمل‌های بسیار مثبتی در محافل فرش‌شناس و در محافل تجارتی دنیا شد. به طوری که در طول یک سال گذشته
Last year's exhibition brought about very positive reactions in the carpet business in a way that since then more than 100 pages of different magazines on carpet were allocated to Persian carpets and our exhibition. These articles were in different languages, and Persian carpet was their main theme. In addition, carpet producers and businessmen have been making great attempts for organization of the second exhibition so they could display better carpets with new and diversified colors and patterns. A fact to be realized by everyone this year.
با طرح‌ها و با رنگ‌های مختلف دیگری و با ابداعات و ابتکارات دیگری از خود به نمایش بگذارند که که در نمایشگاه سال 72 این امر به خوبی مشهود خواهد بود.